Cleaning your home on a regular basis is a critical step in keeping your home and family safe from viruses and bacteria. Soluguard Botanical Disinfectant is safe, effective, and EPA registered to kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. It's important to use Soluguard Botanical Disinfectant according to all label information and directions. When using Soluguard Botanical Disinfectant, pre-clean surface to be disinfected. Then, spray properly diluted product on hard, non-porous surface until thoroughly wet. Let stand 1 minute to sanitize and 10 minutes to disinfect. Wipe in one direction so you don't reinfect the surface. Use on doorknobs, light switches, faucets, appliances, countertops, keyboards, or anywhere germs gather. And of course, wash your hands immediately after cleaning.